I'm going to now demonstrate today about the child lock feature on your Curry's Essential dishwasher. This should be the same for all dishwashers in the Curry's Essential range and all essential dishwashers that have been sold. So, what you need to find is, once it's switched on here, if you press and hold the delay button and the program button together and hold, you hear a double beep, and what you should see there is a lock on there. So press start now, nothing happens. Only the on-off button can work. I'm going to demonstrate again. Hold for on. Child lock comes on. The on. Switch it off. Switch back on. The child lock is now no longer on. Right. So, what we'll now demonstrate to you now is how to turn it back off. Simply press and hold. So you hear a beep, child lock button will go out, and you should be able to select options. See? That is how to operate your child lock on your Curry's Essential dishwasher. Thanks for watching, guys.